Welcome to my YouTube channel, Left Side Tutorials. Our tutorial today is how to file KRA nil returns. I'll be taking you step by step how to file the nil returns. Ensure that the taxman does not get you off guard. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Left Side Tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you comment and leave the comment there, I'll be able to get back to you and do it for you for freely. So the very first step that we need to do in filing nil returns is we come to the Google browser, type Itax. We'll be able to get into itax.kra.go.ke. This is the KRA Itax portal, Kenya Revenue Itax portal. This is the platform the way it is. The first thing that we need to do will be the first requirement is to enter our KRA pin. It's or the user ID. The second thing we need to do will be filling the KRA password. The other thing we need to do is to authenticate the security stamp. This ensures that we are that we are not a robot. So 51 minus 4 is 41. Then we'll place login. This is once we place login, this is the platform that we'll come to, Kenya Revenue. This is the home. The other step that will come to returns. When we come to the returns, we will come to file nil returns. When we come to file nil returns, you will be in this platform where it will be telling you the type, the tax pin, and they select the obligation. The obligation that we'll be taxing is for income tax for an individual. Then we'll press next. It tells us the return period. The return period that we are filing is from last year, June last year, from July 1st, 2019 to June 31st. So we will it will tell us to the return period. The wife pin is not compulsory. As you can see, it does not have a red star. So the period that we will be logging is from we'll place the calendar. Please, it tells us Itax. Please fill the date, the month, and the year format. Okay, we'll be able to fill it is from 1st July. July was the seventh month, and it was 2019. Then to the return period, the return period return period should be 31st 01 2019. So it has said to does the return period should be 31st. Okay, we will first fill 01 the 2019. Then we are filing returns for last year. So we will come here and ensure that we are it tells us the return can be filled after effective date of taxation. So I think something some so we'll fill the date. The date we are filing tax for 2020. So we'll go back up to go back to January 2019 date first. Then we'll be able to put it is taking time for it to access. The return period can effectively after date of registration. I don't know, something. Dear taxpayer, fill the nil returns. Filing of nil returns is only applicable in case you have no taxation to declare for the period. Are you sure you want to file the nil returns? We'll say okay. Please enter the return period from. Yeah, we'll come here. The return period. The return period is from last year. Is from last year. last year June, July, yeah. The return period should be 31st0119. So the return period, we'll put the as the start period is from January 2019. January 2019, let us January 2019. So we can see the last logged in was June 7th, 2020. So it tells us that the return period is from 1st June 2020 to 31st December 2020, can be filled after 31st 12th 2020. It means that the duration period that I'm supposed to file today, June 7th, 2020, I've already filed the returns, and I can only file tax from June 1st. June 1st, 2020 can only be filled after 2020. So it means that that tax has already been filed. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So it means if I want to file tax again from June 1st, June 1st, 2020 can only be filled after 31st December 2020. So it means for this period now I'm safe. KRA taxman will not get into my back, and I'm safe. Welcome to my YouTube channel, lifestyle tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment.